Vlogmas Day 2! Ooh, 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 ooh. Guys, welcome to Vlogmas Day 2. This is probably super random for you, but I just got done doing my one of my virtual classes. So I thought I would just pick up the vlog. We're gonna do a day in a life today. Pick it up from here because I had a kind of an early start. I had a one-on-one client, then I had the virtual. I have to go jump in the shower right now. I have another one-on-one client, and then I have to go to the gym, teach 2 classes, and then I come home, have a break, then I have a client, another class virtually, and then I'm done for the day. Actually, I might have a session after that. I need to reach out to someone. But we're gonna bring you along basically and just show you what a day in my life is like, and I'll try to bring the camera to the gym and just around with me because I am, like many of you guys, home so much now that I feel like these could get boring real quick, but we're not, because we're exciting people. So I'm gonna go jump in the shower. I'll touch base with you guys throughout the day. I hope you guys enjoyed day 1. The sound was a little off because I was playing with the mic and I'm still figuring it out, but hopefully you guys still enjoyed it, and let's just move along. Hey, how are you today? Alright guys, I'm gonna vlog on my phone, get a couple of clips for you guys. I forgot that the class I'm teaching, I can't record it because it's a format. I've been like scratching my neck. Okay, it's a format called like play and go or hit play. I forget like what they call it, but basically once you hit play on the music, like you don't stop until class ends. So I wouldn't be able to turn off my camera, and I don't want it running for 45 minutes. So I am going to just get some clips at the gym, and yeah, so I'm getting my bag together and we're gonna head there. I did do my hair with my Revlon straightener, and I'm playing with that powder that I'll just show you guys real quick. And I don't really know how to make it work. Like, I don't know that it added volume to my hair, kind of, but now it just kind of feels gross where I put it. Okay, so this is one of the things I told you guys yesterday that I got from the Ulta sale, the It's a 10 Blow Dry Miracle Glossing Leave-In. So I used this for the first time today, and it's nice. It made my hair smooth, and then I used my Revlon blow dryer. It looks good. Then this is what I'm talking about, the Sexy Hair Big Powder Play. I need to watch some tutorials on it, I guess, because I'm not really sure how I'm supposed to make it work. But my makeup today, I just use my Makeup Basket Express. So if you come down to the second drawer in my bathroom, this is where the Makeup Basket Express lives. So these are the products that we picked in the most recent video. So I have on this MAC palette. My foundation is the Wet n Wild Stick Foundation. I have the Born This Way Multi-Sculpting Concealer. This is my setting spray, Milani Fruit Fetish. This one's Mango Coconut. Of course, a sponge to blend it out. Actually, I think I'm going to put this on. Do I want to put this on? yeah, I'm gonna eat a snack in the car, so I'll just bring that with me to put on after. Beauty Pie 1 Powder Wonder. This is what's, well, I set my face with the L'Oreal, but then I did use this as like a finishing powder, so. And then my primer, this is the Ulta Repair, no, Versace Beauty Ultra Repair Primer. I moved that in there recently. So at my gym, we can, we have to wear a mask until that workout actually starts. Then you like basically stay, well, for me, we don't really move much in our stations, but we just stay like, I'm going to teach a body flow class. It's like yoga. So we'll just stay at our mat. We can take the mask off. We're all spread out. There's only like 4 to 8 people who come. So if I do wear a lipstick, it does get used. People can see it. Queen Bee by Too Faced. But then the other class, I teach 2 classes back to back. The other class is small group training. So I don't do it with them, so I wear a mask the whole time. So some people leave them on for the whole workout. I always just tell them if they're walking around, they have to have it on. But if they're at their station, then it is up to them what they do. So yeah, I'm gonna head out. I'll try to get some clips while I'm there. And then I have to come home, eat lunch, do some, oh, I gotta change my clothes. What am I doing? Do some admin stuff, and then I get a break. So, okay. So I gotta head out the door. I gotta change. I'm so crazy. Okay. Let's try this again. Okay. So we have to wear a blue shirt to teach at the Y. When I teach body flow, it's so hard because we're so like bendy and moving that like I'm trying to figure out how to dress so that we don't have costume malfunctions. Because I find that I'm like, oh wow, my whole back's hanging out right now. Like, oh my gosh, am I gonna lose a boob? So what I have come to terms with, this is the first time trying it. High-waisted compression leggings. These are from Reebok. Reebok Lux, L-U-X leggings are the only ones I wear, and they're always on sale. Right now, I think they're 50% off plus 10% off plus $15 cashback Rakuten. I'm passing because I have more than enough, but I'll link them for you. And then I'm going to try tucking in a shirt so that when I'm doing like bends and stuff and this shirt flies, like this one is still secure. And then, you know, oops, it has like more coverage on the side, and then this one can stay hanging out so I can still look kind of cute. So let's do it. I'm going to give you options. Alright, we just got done with body flow or people, which is a solid. I'm about to teach a class called small group training. Then we'll head home. I think today I might end off this vlog when I get home and just do like a morning with you guys, because I want to be able to edit and upload and save the evening ones for time I have when I have more time in the evening to edit it, if that makes sense. So, take my hair out. Alright, so we'll check in when we're done. Alright guys, I'm in my car. I didn't end up putting any lip stuff on, I just forgot. But I'm going to end the vlog. I'm going to end this video here, the day of Vlogmas Day 2. Trying to think what to do tomorrow. I think I might just share my morning with you guys. But tonight I just have admin stuff to do for the business. I'm gonna eat lunch. I'm gonna edit this video and my video from my class earlier for playback. And then I just have an hour and a half left of work tonight. I have a class in 2 clients, a virtual class. So that's gonna be my Tuesday. It's pretty busy. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday are like whiplash, like so much is happening. And then after that it comes down a lot. So thank you guys for being here for day 2. Hope you guys enjoyed. I asked for Vlogmas ideas in day 1, so if you've thought of any, let me know in the comments. But I hope you're all well, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye! Subscribe if you're new! Okay.